Hi everyone, I just want to share with you my simple decoration of my bathroom. I already have this white towel here. I'm gonna put an orange one just to give a contrast of it, and on top of this one I'm gonna put this yellow one that says Happy Easter and has also the orange on it. So it gets a little bit of contrast, the yellow with the orange, okay? So then, in the corner, I'm gonna put this. I have two of them. It's only flowers. I'm gonna put one here, okay? And the other one near that one. So I fold it in half, okay? So I just got this beautiful wraps. It's a curtain wraps to hold them, but I'm gonna use it for my towels. This I got it from Shein. So I'm gonna be put it right here. And the other one. Go, two of them. In the middle, I have just this 3 eggs. They are from Hobby Lobby, and I just put a lace to it to hold it, and I'm gonna put it right here between the two towels, and do like a small ribbon to tie it. Okay, so there you go, the 3 beautiful eggs. Then I'm gonna put in top of it, I'm gonna put this wreath that is a DIY that I did, so you can see that in one of my previous videos. Okay, just here with the bunny in the middle. Okay, so this one, this is from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put it just here in a towel stand that I have right here on the bottom. I'm gonna show you now. So right here, I put already the curtain with some eggs on the top. It's a white shower curtain. The yellow one is a regular curtain that I just tied in the corners. And the beautiful eggs are from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so on top here of the toilet tank, I'm gonna put this beautiful tray that I did it in a previous video, so you can watch that also. Most of the things are from Dollar Tree, like the flowers, the grass, and the eggs. The Easter sign and the bunny one are from Hobby Lobby, and the bunnies are from a local thrift store. Then here on this shelf, I'm gonna put this beautiful gnome that I buy it on Bells. It's last year, and I put some eggs on it. I'm gonna put it in this corner. Then I have these 3 canisters that I also put a rabbit in top of it and a diamond wrap here. So I have cotton balls, cotton swabs, and coal pads, 3 of them right there. And in the corner, a Happy Easter sign from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so in the top, I already put a plant over there, a sign that says hippity hoppity, and a rabbit on the back. Okay, so here on the sink that I have a shelf, I always have this plant here that was a present from my daughter-in-law. And near of it, I'm gonna put this 2 rabbits, 1 pink, 1 yellow, from Dollar General. Only $1. So I'm gonna put 1 on each side. Then for the other corner, I have this one that says Happy Easter. Just in the corner here. Then I'm gonna put a little tray, a little silver tray from a tree store, and these flowers that I already have it here, just in this corner. And a shake with an egg. The egg is from Dollar General and the shake is from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just gonna put it here on the tray. And on this side, I have a tray that is from a thrift store. It's a clear one, and I just put it here. Okay, I put a towel always in the middle for washing the hands. I have this one and this beautiful DIY, bunny DIY in a dome that I did also on my channel. So I'm gonna show you how it looks, okay, and this side so you can see. that is all. Hope that you like it. So please, please, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.